All right, so we're at the car wash. We're going to try and degrease the CNC machine. The revival of the CNC. It's gross, it's nasty, it's fucked up. So we're gonna clean it. Okay, so that really didn't work. I mean, it might clean up a little bit, but it's still gross. The y-axis is used up right now, so I'm just gonna tear it all down, sandblast it, clean it up, powder coat it, try and get it back to going. So, and then my free computer that was given me to run XP so I could run Mach 3, it's something's wrong with it. So I got 2 hiccups. So, but anyways, we're gonna keep fighting along with this. So stay tuned. We got more videos coming out with this. Thanks for watching.